Hi you guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video sharing with you some things that I picked up recently and just some fall essentials in general. Fall is my favorite season. I think most of you are probably there with me. And it's just been taking forever this year for things to cool down. It finally is a bit. I'm in my turtleneck and my big sweater and I started pulling out all my outerwear. It's just the best season for fashion by far. But before we get into my essentials, I wanted to thank my sponsor of this video, ShopTagger. You guys know that I am the biggest fan of ShopTagger and their entire service. It's a web application that you can use to save items when you're shopping online, and then they will alert you when things go on sale or if things go low in stock or if they come back in stock. So it can be very useful in many different ways, but especially with the holidays coming up when you're buying gifts for people or if you're just shopping for yourself around Black Friday time. Their service is great. I am a huge advocate of mindful shopping and living sort of a more minimalist life, so I do like to think about my purchases quite a lot before I make them and invest in more quality pieces, and ShopTagger does help me do that and get those pieces for the best price, whether it's my handbags or a great pair of loafers that you get for like 60% off. So if you'd like to check out the service, I'll leave a link down below where you can download the tool onto your web browser, and then anytime you're shopping online and you go to a product page of an item that you sort of have your eye on and you're feeling out if you want to purchase, you can save it to one of your ShopTagger lists and then they will send you notifications if it goes on sale. But like I said, I'll have it linked in the description box down below. But let's get into my fall essentials. I want to start out with beauty products because it's been a while since I have discussed beauty products with you guys on this channel. It's super minimal. My beauty routine has gotten just more and more condensed, mainly because I don't really have a home right now. I'm always traveling for work and I physically can't have a lot of things, so I really have to limit it down to the essentials. But for fall, I am pretty much obsessed with hydration in my skin and my hair. So that's sort of what all these products have to do with. Also, speaking of the whole like moving situation that I have going on right now, I know a lot of you guys have questions about it. It's like my most asked questions on social media. If you want to keep up with me in more real time, I am on Instagram almost every day. That is like my main social media focus and my preferred platform, although I still totally love YouTube. And I'm also on my second channel, my vlog channel, vlogging and posting a couple times a week at least. So, products. I first have a face wash that has just become my holy grail, and it is the Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is really affordable. You can find it at most drugstores or easily on Amazon, online. I'll make sure to have everything that I'm talking about in this video linked down below. Another really cool thing about this product is that it has hyaluronic acid in it, which just plumps your skin, makes you look very youthful. I go without makeup probably 3 to 4 days out of the week, and this helps me feel confident enough to do that. Another skincare product by Aesop. Oh my god, how could you not love this brand and their packaging and all of their scents and just the whole mood of the brand. But this is their purifying facial exfoliant paste, but it's fine quartz and rosemary leaf, and it's just the best stress reliever, and also it just leaves you with the most smooth baby skin. I also have one makeup product to share with you guys. This was a bit of an investment, but so far I've thought that it was totally worth it and it just fit into my routine really well. I went a while without having any face makeup because I accidentally left all of my makeup in one of our Airbnbs when we were traveling all summer, and then I was like, okay, I am just going to have a cruelty-free makeup routine, or at least aim for that, and I want something that's super natural and that I can wear in my everyday life and not feel like I have a mask on basically, or really like I'm wearing makeup. So I ended up settling on the Chantecaille Just Skin Anti-Smog Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 15. So again, this is moisturizing. It's supposed to be anti-pollution, which I am a little like, I don't really know how that works. But since I am in disgusting cities the majority of my time, it's of course a bonus if that actually works, but it's exactly what you would think from the name. Just skin, except better than your skin. I also feel like this has a good amount of coverage in comparison to other tinted moisturizers I've tried that are just like, just shouldn't wear any makeup. But this does a good job of covering up any pores on my nose and any other redness or imperfection. I am going to talk about all of the fashion related things, which I think is why the majority of you come to my channel. I'm gonna take off my shoes because they are one of the things I have to show you, and I'm sure you've been seeing these everywhere, or kind of everywhere, on Instagram, and they are the Doc Marten Jayden boots. I just love these. They're perfect. I have to have a platform shoe. Ups my confidence instantly. It just makes your legs look so much better. And it's like I'm back in middle school wearing my Doc Martens, but these are just like on steroids. I could do with even a bit bigger of a platform, but these have quickly became my everyday shoe, perfect for travel, and I really feel like they go with everything. I wear them with dresses and jeans and trousers and just pretty much anything you can imagine, and it just instantly like roughens up your look in the perfect way. Perhaps you can find a secondhand pair on sites like Depop. They do tend to be sold out a lot, but I will try to find some in stock and link them below for you guys. And then my other go-to shoe, which I've had for almost a year now. Avery got these for me as a Christmas gift last year, and they are these beautiful Prada loafers. I get questions on these every day and people are always asking me where they can get them, but I did get them from him on an end of season sale. So I'm afraid I can't be of much help there unless you can possibly find them secondhand. I frequently look for you guys though. But I have good news that I found a pretty good dupe from Doc Marten actually, so they're a lot more affordable. They're just black though. They do have some colors that sort of have the same sort of finish as these do, and they also have a bit of a platform, which makes them even better. But I wear these a lot if I'm going to like a meeting or something and I still want to look fashionable but a bit more put together and not like, I don't know, I feel like these are really cool but you can seem a bit unprofessional and just like you're a wreck when you wear them. A wreck in a good way. But these are like a horror movie take on like a men's loafer, so they're perfect. For clothing, it is all about layering, forever and always. A good black turtleneck for layering. I recently got this one from Klein jeans. Super comfortable, rib knit. Again, I wear this under dresses, under like huge sweaters, button-ups. Just adds an entirely different element to your outfit. And of course it's practical too if it's a little chillier outside and you don't want to wear a big coat. Another key layering piece, which if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see it all over my Instagram. I am always wearing thermal long sleeves. I have some that I've just gotten either thrifting or on Amazon, and since I wear them so much they get distressed sort of naturally and they're perfect under t-shirts. For bottoms, I am always wearing the same black trouser. These have had to be dry cleaned so many times. I am pretty conservative about cleaning my clothes just because it can lower the lifespan of your clothing item. So if you don't need to wash something, do not wash it. If it does not smell bad, if it does not have stains, don't clean it. These are really special, but also nothing special. I just got them at And Other Stories a couple years ago, and it was one of my best purchases ever because I wear them every day. I'll try to have a similar pair to link down below. Other than that, some good jeans. These are Klein jeans. I also really like Shop Redone and their entire story and message behind the brand. And then on top, I just like to use outerwear to experiment. I am wearing one of Avery's giant Raf Vest today as a dress. Sometimes I wear it trousers. I have some other coats back here, as you can see, like this white PVC Junior coat. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The lovely ladies at Heroin gifted me that from their archive. This linen cotton blend textured blazer from Kromm that I got on sale in Berlin. It's interesting because I say outerwear is fun to experiment with. But it's also something that's totally worth investing in, of course, depending on what climate you live in. If you live somewhere where it doesn't get cold, it's obviously not worth investing in outerwear. But if you live somewhere like New York City, outerwear is pretty much all anyone ever sees you in when you're walking around. And it's such a practical thing to own that having a good coat that makes you feel really great can make such a difference in your wardrobe. I think I finally had that realization recently when I was thrifting and I was like looking for coats and I just wasn't finding anything that fit me, which of course you can find really great outerwear when you're thrifting. But I used to not want to spend much money, but then I had the realization that it's totally worth it to spend money on outerwear the same way that it's worth it to spend money on shoes or a bag, from my perspective, of course. But I think that's it that I have to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to hear about some of your fall essentials in the comments down below. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye!